First of all, only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what He has accepted in this lifetime. The real result will be announced on the day of Qiyamah. However, in the hadith, and people have collected some of the signs, one of the signs which I would like to tell you is that if your life before the hajj, your state of iman, the state of your closeness to Allah, of taqwa, has increased after the hajj, and if one finds oneself in a better state of iman, a better state of amal, a better state of action and taqwa after the hajj, then I personally would say that inshallah this hajj has been accepted from Allah. So let's work on this to make ourselves closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala once He has blessed us with the opportunity of performing the hajj.